up, guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and welcome back for another Fun Day Sunday watch face review. Today is a beautiful day in my area. The sun is shining. I'm off. I'm going to throw something on the grill. We're going to chit chat again today, so look out for that one, people. And with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's kick the review off, right? Now, first of all, I got three free watch faces for you all to check out that can be played on a day like today. All right, so with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get started. Now the first one, because you know Tina Dial gets down. Now this one is called Tina Dial 589. I'm liking the look, I'm liking the design of this watch face, and it is animated, and yes, it is free for the taking, people. Look at the animation at the top, look at the design. Even in the always on mode, it looks pretty good, right? It's not a bad look at all, but we got to continue to keep the focus on the watch face itself. I'm liking the layout. I love the design. I have to say that again. It is an analog watch face, right? But look, if you look over to your left, you're going to get your step info. To the right, you're going to get your heart rate. And you come down, you're going to get the date. Listen, I'm telling you, this is beautiful. And even in the middle, it's animated right here, people. Now this is an awesome watch face that you can play dressing up as well as dressing down. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if you're on your way to download this watch face. Number two. Now number two is nice. Now this one is definitely geared for a nice casual day, right? Now the name of the watch face is called Training World Lite. Now they do have a paid version, and the paid version gives you other options, other features you can tap into, but this one is nice. Even in the always on mode, it looks awesome in my opinion. But again, let me know your thoughts on this watch face, right? Now you don't get no interactiveness with this one. It's just a free watch face, right? But at the top, what you're gonna get is the date. You come down, you'll get your days of the week, and over here you're gonna get your battery info. Down at the bottom, you got your digital time, which is pretty cool, right? And you also get the animated seconds in the middle. The design is pretty nice. The watch face definitely stands out. For a free watch face, this is definitely not bad at all. I'm thinking, people, this is truly worth the download. Number three. Now, number three is another one of them watch faces that you can wear on a casual day that I think you should go ahead and put right on your wrist right now. All right, the name of the watch face is called RJD123 Free. Now, this is a free version that now has 15 color options that you can tap into to color coordinate with whatever you got going on for the day, or you can just pick your favorite colors, right? Now, let's check it out. Now, in always on mode, it looks just as good. It's going to be in the dim mode, but you're still going to get your digital time. Now, when the watch face is on, everything is in big, bold information. I'm loving it. So at the top, of course, you're going to get your date, day of the week. You're also going to get your digital time and big bold numbers with animated seconds, and you're also going to get your battery life down at the bottom as well. So I thought this was truly a good look, but let's go ahead, let's tap into it and see what colors that they have for some of them. I'm not going to go through all 15, just to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for when you download this watch face. This is your choices, people. Not bad at all, right? Kind of darker colors, darker tone. No pastel, doesn't seem like they have, but listen, I like it. What do you think? All right, you all, that's it for the Fun Day Sunday watch face review. I enjoyed hanging out with you all. I will see you again today, so look out for me because we got to announce the winners of the watch face giveaway. All right, so with that being said, people, enjoy your Sunday, relax, have fun with family and friends, and most of all, remember, be safe, and I'll see you all at the next one. Don't forget, hit the like button on the way out and subscribe to the channel.